SBI Limited. The producer and marketer of a stem cell stimulator product called Animal. You can see it there.
Okay, give us a brief about the product.
Animal is a stem cell stimulator. Yeah, as a stem cell stimulator, what it does is that it stimulates the dead and weak cells in the body. It regenerates, it restores all the dead and weak cells in the body by bringing them back to normal life. By so doing, your body will be alive, strong and kicking. There will be nothing like diseases, there is nothing like sicknesses. Your health will be restored. Very, very good for diabetes of all kinds, very good for prostate issues, very, very good for libido, it enhances libido, especially in men and female. It's also good for insomnia, people that are finding it difficult to sleep, especially at night. Very good for arthritis, very good for any kind of pain. It's good for cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and promote the production of good cholesterol in the body. Very good for hypertension, any kind of blood pressure, low BP or high BP. Very, very good. Very, very good for typhoid and malaria. It's also good for ulcer, any kind of ulceration. This product is a powerful immune booster also. It boosts the immune system to the optimum level. It's good for sight. People that are having problem of eye, it's very, very good for them. Animals is called a clinic in a bottle, but it's also called a life hospital in a bottle. Every family, everybody needs this product because this product will keep you fit. It will keep you alive, kicking and active all year round. Without this product.
What's your relationship with the Sami brand of Kobe?
Yeah. Igbo, the solar brand Igbo is one of our brand ambassadors of this company. It's one of our brand ambassadors. It's a very, very prominent distributor in our company.
So you have come to honor him today?
Sure. Of course, 100%.
What's your wishes for him?
My wish for him is that he will be alive to see his birthday next year and many more years ahead. In good health. Thank you. Yeah.